You are going to love the 2023 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard, with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners. So here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, power brakes, ambient lighting, braking assist, voice activated navigation system. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.